Today we're going to talk about one of the most important things you have to do when you come into any kitchen. Can you guess what it is? It's sanitation. It is our top priority to make sure that we're coming into a clean, working environment. So first what we're going to go ahead and do is that we're going to inspect our clothes. We want to make sure there's no dirt, hair, or any other foreign objects that can fall into our food. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove any jewelry that we might have. Any watches, rings, earrings, we don't want that to fall in there either. Next, we're going to go ahead and put on our hair nets. And if you have a beard net. Next, we're going to go and examine our hands. You want to make sure you have no fake nails or nail polish that are chipped. Bacteria can grow in them and fall into your food and contaminate it. After this, we're going to go ahead and wash your hands. You'd be surprised how often people don't wash their hands or just wash them incorrectly, but it's really easy to do. It only takes about 20 seconds, and that way we can make sure we don't contaminate anybody's food. You're going to run warm water. You're going to add soap and lather up. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds, and you're going to scrub in between your fingers and underneath your nails. Then you're going to rinse your hands and use a one-time paper towel. You want to make sure you don't touch anything that can contaminate your hands again, like a phone or a door handle. Alright, next, we're going to go ahead and put our gloves on. You're going to be provided with powder-free, kitchen-safe gloves. You want to make sure that the glove size that you pick is snug to your hands. Like this. Okay. You also don't want to blow into your gloves. This is just going to add germs right back into it. And that's it. You're ready to cook.